What is up, the world? Dolphin Legend 27 here, hanging out today doing stuff and things. Today we are doing a world at Warship. Dang, I forgot what the game's called. I'm going to be to South Carolina, and we are doing some more battles. And hope it goes all good. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, I can eat. Oh my god, he just got annihilated. Oh crap, am I gonna miss those? Okay. 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 Yo, who is attacking me? Yo, I'm getting gangbanged. Oh my god. Oh shoot. We're going down, guys. I hate to say this, but we're not gonna make this one. Oh. It's all good, guys. It's all good. Also, I might be doing some more Minecraft. And if anybody wants to see more Fortnite, just tell me, and I'll do some more Minecraft, because I know some of you guys liked it. I liked it too. It was pretty fun. So, I'm still aiming for this guy. I'm going to get him really soon. And then it'll be really fun. Like, just sit back and let the planes do the work. Try not to get caught on fire. All the fun stuff. So, yeah. Yeah. I don't see any. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm using a different boat now. I forgot what it was. It was like the like battleship, I think, that you ever get. I think it goes like 20 some miles an hour. It has 6 cannons? 4 cannons. It's 4 cannons, and then it has 2 minis. And then 6-second reload. Yeah, I go 23 kilometers. Okay. Hopefully those hits. Oh, I think I hit. No collisions, come on. YOLO. Oh my god. Kill. If I don't get this kill. Come on. Let's go, I got the kill. YOLO. Okay. Okay, I killed 2 people. I am wrecking base. Okay. Hopefully they don't see me. I'm gonna try and get first hit. I get a little closer. Oh my god. Oh my god, if he sees me, I'm dead. Oh, come on. Let's go. Okay. I got first hit. Okay, guys. If he's AFK, he's gonna die. Let's go. He doesn't see me. Oh my god. Let's go! I got 3 kills! Oh my god. Oh my god. On fire. I got iron wrecking face. Oh, let's try and go for this dude. Oh my god, I can win. We did it, guys! Let's go! Oh my god, we beat them by a lot. Well, maybe not a lot. Okay, guys. That was a pretty good battle. And when I'm not using my best ship, I'm actually doing good. That's pretty sad. Well, probably because the reload time is 20 seconds. But it's pretty good. Let's see how I did. I sunk 3 ships. That's the most on the team. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, this sucks. I got second place. I should have gotten first. Guys, that was amazing. I did so much damage. Okay. Let's see how close we are. I only need 700 more, guys. In the next episode, this is what we're going for. I guess that'll be it for today. See you